Hi everyone, I'm glad you're here. Thank you very much for joining me. It is Tuesday, April 8th. I think a lot of us first became familiar with dire wolves from the TV series Game of Thrones. We all know the phrase winter is coming with Jon Snow and his pet dire wolf. The dire wolf has been extinct for over 10,000 years. And recently, 2 wolves were brought back from extinction using genetic edits derived from a complete dire wolf genome, reconstructed by Colossal from ancient DNA found in fossils dating back 11,500 to 72,000 years. Dire wolves, which went extinct around 10,000 years ago, are much larger than gray wolves, their closest living relative today. Scientists say that the latest effort doesn't mean dire wolves are coming back to North America grasslands anytime soon. All you can do now is make something look superficially like something else, not fully revive the extinct species, said Vincent Lynch, a biologist at the University of Buffalo who was not involved in the research. The researchers said that this moment marks not only our milestone for us as a company, but also a leap forward for science, conservation, and humanity. From the beginning, our goal has been clear: to revolutionize history, to be the first company to use CRISPR technology successfully in the de-extinction of previously lost species. By achieving this, they went on to say, we continue to push forward our broader mission to accepting humanity's duty to restore Earth to a healthier state. Adding, this isn't just their moment, it is one for science, our planet, and humanity, all of which we love and are passionate about. Colossal scientists learned about specific traits that dire wolves possess by examining DNA from fossils. The researchers studied a 13,000-year-old dire wolf tooth unearthed in Ohio and a 72,000-year-old skull fragment found in Idaho, both part of the Natural History Museum collections. Then the scientists took blood cells from a living gray wolf and used CRISPR to genetically modify them in 20 different sites, said Colossal Chief Scientist Beth Chaparro. They transferred that genetic material into an egg cell from a domestic dog. When ready, embryos were then transferred to surrogates, also domestic dogs, and 62 days later the genetically engineered pups were born. Colossal has previously announced similar projects to genetically alter cells from living species to create animals resembling extinct woolly mammoth, dodos, and others. On their post on X, formerly known as Twitter, there was one question that says, "Can you please bring back the Tasmanian tiger next?" And the reply was that they were working on it. Another question asked about the dodo bird. They missed them, and they said they were working on that one also. Another question posed, it says, "Why are you doing this? What are your guardrails? Where will you stop? Why is this a good idea?" And then the reply: wolves play a vital role in maintaining the balance and structure of their ecosystem. Restoring these essential players is absolutely central to our broader conservation goals. So are they eventually going to release them into the wild? Good question. Another comment on X, it says, "Oh my God, Jurassic Park is coming to life in real time." And then one last comment, it says, "This animal went extinct on its own, prior to man having such an outside role on the planet. It's playing God to pick and choose which animals to do this with. I can understand the dodo, the Tasmanian tiger that were hunted to extinction, but not this." So what are your thoughts? Please put your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.